Alright, good morning. I haven't been recording much because I've just been driving like 8 hours a day for the last couple days.
Doing an outstanding job that time.
To get from Banff all the way here to the coast of Washington. I saw that the forecast was saying that the waves were going to be good for the next couple days, so I wanted to make it here in time to surf at my favorite spot that I went to on the way up. However, the waves don't look as good as last time. They're much smaller, but I have a feeling it's going to get a little bit better for the next couple days. I also booked my first campsite of the trip, not because I needed to, but because I wanted to. And it's right here, right off the beach, so I can surf anytime I want. And my friend Max might meet me tonight, so hopefully he can make it out, but we'll see. So the last people left, so I was able to move into the campsite, and we're right over here next to the beach, the beautiful beach, and the nice porta potties. And I just talked to Max, and he confirmed that him and his girlfriend Kira are both coming, so I'm stoked now.
Yes, and then there came a stranger who called her Highland Grace, thought we arranged her. I'd been searching in the mirror.
This is sandy right here, so if we get, dumped, it's into the sand. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo!